I do a lot of active learning in my teaching. It's something that I've been drawn me to the teaching as a field. And so with active learning, you learn by doing more than regurgitating or taking a test or any of the sort of normal assessment activities. The first is my American government class, POS110. In that class, the students do a political action plan where they have to identify a problem in their community, decide what the various options are for dealing with that problem, look at the pro and con arguments for those options, pick one of those options, and then find out who in the community has the authority to actually do that, and then how they can use the political process to get the government to do the thing they want them to do. There's two parts of the assessment of that plan. The first is a presentation. Part of the assignment is the students have to identify the contact information for who has the authority to make this decision. And as the instructor, I then invite those people to come to the class to hear the pitch by the students. And so whatever law they're trying to pass or policy they're trying to change, the person who has the authority to make that decision is actually in the room. So that creates sort of a high stakes environment where the students have to really articulate their ideas and demonstrate what they've learned about the process as they're trying to convince an actual policymaker to do it. So I really like that assessment technique. In addition to the presentation, there's also a written submission, and that is where the students, as a group, write down all of the things that they need that I mentioned, the different various policies, the contact information, all the components that they have to show me that they learned the things they need to learn. So it was the combination of the written report that they've written, and then the presentation enables me to really assess whether they are capable of making government do what they want it to do, which is a huge learning objective in that class.